Okay, this is awesome. This is my first video of the year. 2020 is behind us. I'm gonna be making some updates. I want to finish these courses right here, these two right here, and update some of the new stuff I've done in SQL, and just try to be more active this year. Uh, Listen, thanks for looking at my videos. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. I appreciate everything. So I have a variety of projects that I work on, and EasyShop is going to be based somewhere in the Bahamas. That's where all the delivery is going to be going. And so my brother's friend wants to get this up and running, and I've been kind of putting it off because I have that regular paying job. But I think it's time for me to go ahead and knock this out for him. And the tech is going to start off kind of a lot of manual stuff, and then as time goes on, upgrade it. So I'm not trying to build Disney or anything, just enough to get him up and running, and then try to build that great site. So what happened is, last time I touched this project, some of this layout that you're looking at here, this is in a older version of .NET Core 2.2, but I want to move the layout over to 5.0. It's a good learning experience for me. I haven't touched 5.0 yet, even though it's been a short while, and recreate this layout and then wrap up all the functionality. So far, there's 2 pages that exist. That one, and this is based on the business model he put together. So just kind of giving you a heads up. I do it in the other video, but I just want to let you know that that's the whole purpose here. All right, let's get started. So this is where I want to put the EasyShop app. So EasyShop is a project I've been working with someone from back in the Bahamas. And so a few things kind of got out of hand with the project, and I want to transfer the source code from where it's at now to this new app. So I can get rid of you. Yes, bye-bye. Baby, what are you doing? Yes. No, I don't want to do that. And let's create. So there's a part of this that's going to be kind of copy and paste. go with it. .NET 5.0. We'll keep the HTTP configuration in there. We'll add that in ourselves. And I'll start building it before we get there. So we're going to do it in ASP.NET Core 5.0. I haven't gotten any chance to do any research on it. I'm just going to baptism by fire, I guess. So watch it create. For some reason I was expecting it to take a little longer, but it did kind of suit my machine up a little bit here. And let's see what it starts off with. I haven't used 5.1. I think it 5.0 yet, so let's see what it does. Oh, everything's opening up on my other screen. In here, I think it's going to be spectacular. Okay, so kind of kept it simple here. That's the start of it. I want to. Another thing I want to do is so this originally was a demo site. I guess I'm just trying to recreate this layout and put it all in 5.0 and then change how it operates. So it ought to be some fun. I downloaded the code from my repository and started giving me a bunch of different errors. And I'm like, I can get this back up and running to what this is right now. This is a project I'm in the middle of making, so EasyShop. This is the business logic, you know, same day delivery, 3-day delivery. This is all happening in the Bahamas. And so this is as far as I've gotten, and I'm not going to try to put all the bells and whistles in here, but when you click on this, this is a place I want to get rid of this. Better movement. F12. I want to see how it looks when we go to mobile, and just kind of add to the shopping list, and then at some point this list gets populated, and you can use the phone and put that back here. So we're gonna get back to that good stuff, but really ugly right now. I kind of like this intro, but we're going to try to keep it simple. Oh, it's another thing I want to check out. What does this look like when we go? So I'm hitting F12 again. What the screen looks like. Alright, video goes away, background picture. Oh, it's nice. Anyway, I'm going to take this and put it in our new thingy here, and then start getting this project from A to B. It's kind of embarrassing that I haven't taken care of this already, but things being worked out. My time is getting freer now, so that I can do stuff like this. So I'm going to download that code, and then we're going to really work through taking the data from there and saving it into the layout. And I haven't worked on this project in a long time, but I'm just upgrading it and really taking it to the next level. All right, or at least get it operational. I don't think this is going to take me that long, but let me take a break real quick. Oh, wait. So that's what that's the project laid out. All right. So effectively, I'm taking my layout from here, and again, I haven't messed with this project in a long time. This is Leaf and Bootstrap 4.0. I think I'll upgrade that to the latest version of Bootstrap. Sorry for the noise. So I guess I'm just gonna, because this layout, I'm gonna move it over and just deal with it one at a time. I have some controllers in here. I'll reevaluate how all of this is going to work. Seemed like I was into some special events here. Areas, identity, pages. Oh, I don't know how this works anymore. It might be the same thing in 5.0, but we'll just start moving the CSS and then learn as we go. Just learn as we go. Okay. So we have this, which is giving us this layout. And I'm sure this is no longer the case here. Let's go to Git. Where are we at? 5? Yes. Well, 5 is currently in beta. Okay, slightly different layout. Forms. Okay, forms is its own section. Components. All right. Come back to that when it's important. And so we want to see what this is pointing at. Where are we at? Controller, lib, bootstrap. Is going to give us any hint inside here where we at? Oh, so it's still on 4.3. That's automatically included in bootstrap. And okay, cool. Alrighty. So let's so I'm going to keep this bootstrap because that's the one we're referencing in our project. Fun awesomes, shift in this app I was trying to create some sort of mapping to it, and so I'm sure that comes with accompanying JavaScript, right? No. So let's see what Bootstrap is recommending. Yeah. Get started usually has some kind of okay. So quick start. This will give you just like a 5.0, but it's in beta. I have to change it. I'll leave it alone. So 4.6 is the latest and greatest. Choose one of two. Okay, so we'll take you. And I'll just move this over here as I copy it all in over here. Actually, we'll just stay with this. Awesome. And click pen true. Cool. So I brought over the font awesome. And let's take everything in the body that we have over here and move it over there and then see what happens when we run it. So we're going to take all of you, replace you with this. I'm sure I'm going to have bring over some CSS files, but for the fun, let's see what happens. What explodes? Here we go. All right, that graphic is missing. Okay. Of course, that page isn't there. Home is there. Don't know why we need a home. It's just, anyway, makes it clear. But not so bad. We'll get those colors and everything in there right away. So I definitely have some CSS in this old project. Let's see what we got over here. Boom, boom. Was I very creative on this one? Product scroll menu. Video head. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's for our video. I like the layout. And let's see what we have for the site. Ooh. Well, just take that and figure it out over here. Nav pills. Nope. I don't want any of it. Well, let's see. What do we have new in here? Relative 100. Well, when in doubt, just blow it all up and see what happens. So anything looking at an image is going to... There wasn't really that much difference anyway. Sweet deal. So we'll go to... We'll see what happens as... I'm probably going to want to bring over the images. Do I have a lot of them? Oh, I've been busy. Okay. I don't know what that's going to do. Hey! Pixelated JPEG. So I knew I did away with this. This was a bit much for what I was working with. It was pretty, but I'm offloading all my bad ideas. So we have a logo. So we're gonna open the Explorer. We'll just move you out the way for now. And this also has an image folder, right? No? So we'll add that folder. And then kind of open that up. Yeah, sure, one day when I get some free time, I'll explore images. So that definitely is the logo image, and this is the JPEG image. And when I started all of this, I think those images are too big. Yeah, this is probably a monster size thing. Do I have paint.net on here already? I do. What? That's I want this. Just not. I'll open you up again. I promise you. You're pink.net. Why wouldn't I? All right. That's so. Why do I care? So one of the things reason that brought me over here is when it's in mobile mode, I'm only seeing that much of the picture, and that's a real big picture to have come down on someone's mobile device. So definitely want to change that size, make it a lot smaller. So we're only seeing the cherries and apples. And that may get a little bit pixelated, but I may want to get rid of this picture altogether. So what if we did it with, I don't know, 150. Oof. Yeah, we won't know for sure, but we'll just jump out of the box. If I don't like the image, I'll just recopy it over, and actually, then I'll check it out another time. We might have to come back and swap that image out, but at least it's at a smaller size and probably degrade that a little bit more. Anyway, now that I have those images in there, I don't know whose root is who. Images. I think when I run it now, I should get my logo icon. Every little step I take. Oh, I do have a browser open over there. Hey, we got our little logo, background image. Okay, I think we're kind of happy. Come back and check the size of that and make sure that's not overstepping its ground. So we got some headways here. So we've gotten our header back, and yeah, it's 9:54. I think I'm gonna take a break. Call it night. Just stop there. But we see progress. Progress. That's all a developer could ask for is progress. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Got a lot of stuff in here to fix. I don't know if I like this over here. EP01. I want this to change each year, so I'll replace that with some JavaScript so that automatically happens. Easy shop. Yeah. Let me get it popping. Gonna get rid of this link, of course, and put said video up here. I think I want to try and create a media server. I think now is the best time to try it. I don't know how much it's going to cost me on my Azure account, but I'm probably going to jump that in there. But let's just do everything on my local dev and then at least get back to that point. So sorry if it didn't get more exciting. And, we'll find out the impact of all these little colors here. I'm pretty sure these background images, probably be getting rid of these. And I don't know why the width is 1,000. Why would I? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's gone. What other crap I have in here? Not really the layout guy. I just do enough so that somebody who really does this can go ahead and say, let's beautify it. Yeah. Yeah, just love coding. All right, we'll stop there. Thank you very much